Hello Pythonistas, welcome to Pythonista Geek channel. So today in this video we are going to see some of the built-in functions which we use regularly in our programming, and it deals with numbers. Numbers is nothing but both data types, integer and floating point together. So we are going to see those built-in functions, friends. Yeah, as you all know what is built-in functions and all, we have already discussed in the previous video. So if you have not checked a video about the functions, you can go and check over there and come here so that it will be easy for you to understand these built-in functions. So today format is going to be like we will be seeing each and every built-in functions, and simultaneously we can work in PyCharm. Okay friends, maybe it can take 2 videos. So yeah, come on, we can start. So first built-in function is absolute, ABS. So what is this absolute going to do is, even if we are going to write a negative number, it will print in positive way. That is the basic idea of this absolute. So it is going to give an absolute value of any number which we are going to type. So yeah, come on, we can just try to print ABS of -10 maybe. Yeah. So if I'm going to run and see this program, I will get 10 alone because the absolute value of -10 is 10. Maybe I'm going to try a floating point now. See, all the things are remaining same except the minus sign. So if we don't know, like even if it is positive or negative, the answer may come when subtracting two numbers as positive or negative, but I need the answer only in positive manner. So we can use this absolute, and it is very easy to use, friends. Yeah. Now coming to the next built-in function, which is max or min. This is really interesting. So if we have a list of numbers, a set of numbers, and we need to find which is the maximum number in that list, and if we need to find which is the minimum number, we can usually do with help of these two functions. Yes, as we all go, we can just start with an example. Maximum of 10, 20, 50, 2. Okay, so if I'm going to run and see this program, can you see 56 is a maximum number, so it is printing correctly. And if I need to print minimum and run and see this program, can you see 2.356 is the minimum of the given numbers, so it is printing correctly. So if we need to find maximum and minimum value of letters, then it will actually take the ASCII code value of those letters and simultaneously work whether which is the maximum one and which is the minimum one, and it is also going to work with letters. So that's it, friends, about the maximum and minimum. It is really easy, I guess. Now coming to the sum. So this sum function is quite different because we are having two parameters here, which is iterable. That is the range function, you remember, which we do in for loops. So we can use that range function to find the sum of the numbers given in that particular range as a parameter for this sum function. So yeah, so start value is optional and it is starting from 0. That will be added to the final sum of the product. So yeah, if we want to do the sum of sum of numbers, we are going to give only the range. So range, first I should write, I am going to find sum. So sum, and then inside the parameter, first parameter is going to be range of maybe 0, 3. So 0 plus 1 plus 2 it should give. So 3 should be the answer. And yeah, so by default the value of the start number is 0, so maybe it is going to be 0 itself. Now I will just run and see this program. Can you see 3 is coming correctly because 0 plus 1 plus 2 is 3. The last number is not included in the range. So now if you need, I can make the start number as 5 here and run this program and see. Can you see it is coming? It is nothing but after getting the sum of the product, whichever number we need to add with that sum, that is going to go in the second parameter. I think this sum is very clear. We are going to use this range function with the help of sum function. And yeah, if we want, we can also specify the step count also in this range. It is going to be very easy, friends. So if I am going to write 10 and step count to be 3. So 0 is the first number, 1 and 2 will not be calculated, so 3 will be the second number. So 0 plus 3 plus 4, 5 will not be calculated. So 6 will be the third number. Like that, if we run and see the program, it will be very easily shown. You see, it is very easy, 23, because we are adding 5 over here. If I am putting 0, then the correct output 18 is the output for us. So I think it is very clear with the sum module. And yeah, coming to the next function, power. So if we need to find power of two numbers, already we have some built-in function, some method called as double star. If you want to find sum of two numbers, we can use double star also, like 5 power 2. If I am putting like this also, I will get 5 square 25 correctly printing, right? The same way we can also use this function called as POW, and the first parameter to be 5 and second parameter to be 2. So this also is going to print the same 25. So what is the difference? Why should I use POW? Because the execution time of this POW is considered to be very small rather than using the double star. So in future we will be learning how to find the execution time and all, no worries. So considering the execution time of this program, POW is going to be very fast compared to the double star. So it is always recommended to use POW than double star. Div mode. Div mode is very easy, friends. It is going to be if we are writing x comma y, then x is the numerator and y will be the denominator. And the answer also we will get in a list, which is going to be a comma b. A is the quotient and b is the remainder. So in Python, we use two different symbols, right? Division symbol and percentage symbol. Both of them together forms the div mode. In simple, I can say. So div mode of, I am going to write 10 comma 3. So 10 divided by 3, what is the answer, friends? Come on. So 10 divided by 3, so 3 tables it will go. So quotient will be 3 and the remainder will be 1. Let us run and see the program. Yeah, as you can see, the quotient is 3 and the remainder is 1. So instead of writing two lines, if I need both quotient and remainder, I can just write like this, guys. That is the basic use of this div mode function. And round off, it is also very simple. If we are having a very big floating point number, we can see how much digits that floating point number should round off and show the output. So yeah, we can have a very cute example here. If I am going to say round of 10 point, this is the biggest number I can see, and I needed to round for 2 decimal points. So now I will run and see the program. Can you see it is rounded off and giving me the value for 2 decimal points. So when these things will be helpful, if we are going to divide, if we are having any problem which is going to be a salary division or something, then maybe the division part we will have very big floating point numbers. So billing systems, if we have food billing systems, GST, IST and all, if we include, then what will happen? The round division value will be very big in percentage. So always money comes in 2 digits, right? At those points of time, we can always use this round method to round off the value which is available and give you a perfect number. So these are all the functions which we are using in numbers, I can say, in built-in functions. Yes, friends. So in next video, we can see what are all the built-in functions dealing with strings. That is also going to be very much interesting. Yes, friends, that's it for today's video. This is Shravanti. Bye-bye.